Apple is getting ready to enter the foldable smartphone market in a big way, and new leaks suggest that the upcoming iPhone Ultra Fold could become one of the most exciting devices of 2026. This is not just another smartphone. This device is expected to combine the power of an iPhone with the experience of an iPad, creating a completely new type of product that focuses on productivity, entertainment, and flexibility. The iPhone Ultra Fold is rumored to launch in September 2026, and it could directly compete with major foldable devices from brands like Samsung and Motorola. But instead of just copying what already exists, Apple seems to be focusing on solving the biggest problems that foldable phones face today. One of the most important upgrades in this device is its foldable display. Many current foldable phones struggle with a visible crease in the middle of the screen, which can affect the viewing experience. Apple is reportedly working on reducing this crease as much as possible, making the display look smoother and more premium when unfolded. When fully opened, the device is expected to feature a 4:3 aspect ratio display. This is a very interesting choice because it is similar to the iPad's screen ratio. This means the phone will feel more like a small tablet when unfolded, making it perfect for tasks like watching videos, editing documents, browsing the web, and even gaming. The wider screen will also make multitasking much easier and more comfortable. On the outside, the iPhone Ultra Fold will reportedly have a 5.5-inch cover display. This outer screen will allow users to quickly check notifications, reply to messages, and take calls without unfolding the device. This dual display setup gives users the best of both worlds, a compact smartphone when folded and a larger tablet-like experience when opened. Another major highlight is the multitasking experience. Apple is expected to bring a custom multitasking interface that is inspired by the iPad. This means users will be able to run multiple apps side by side smoothly. For example, one app could be used for watching a video while another is used for chatting or taking notes. This feature will be especially useful for students, professionals, and anyone who likes to do multiple things at once. What makes this even better is that the device will run on iOS instead of a separate tablet operating system. This ensures full compatibility with the huge library of iPhone apps already available. Apps will feel familiar, but also take advantage of the larger screen, giving a more powerful and flexible experience without needing to learn something new. Performance is also expected to be a strong point. The iPhone Ultra Fold is rumored to come with 12 GB of RAM, which means it should handle heavy tasks very smoothly. Whether it's gaming, video editing, or running multiple apps at once, the device is designed to deliver fast and reliable performance. Security will also remain a top priority. The device is expected to feature both Face ID and Touch ID. This gives users more flexibility in how they unlock their device and keep their data secure. Having both options could be very useful in different situations, especially when the device is folded or unfolded. This device is not just about features. It could have a big impact on the entire smartphone market. Apple entering the foldable space means more competition, and that usually leads to better innovation. Other companies may need to improve their designs, displays, and software to keep up. The iPhone Ultra Fold could also push the idea of hybrid devices even further. Instead of carrying both a phone and a tablet, users may only need one device that does everything. This could change how people use their devices daily, making them more productive and efficient. However, all of this advanced technology will likely come at a high price. Foldable devices are already expensive, and Apple is known for premium pricing. So this device may not be for everyone. But for users who want the latest technology and a unique experience, it could be worth it. For tech enthusiasts, professionals, and Apple fans, this device could be very exciting. It offers something different from traditional smartphones and opens the door to new ways of using mobile technology. Looking at the bigger picture, the iPhone Ultra Fold represents more than just a new product. It shows where smartphones are heading in the future. Devices are becoming more flexible, more powerful, and more capable of handling multiple tasks at once. If these leaks turn out to be true, the iPhone Ultra Fold could set a new standard for foldable phones. It may encourage other companies to rethink their designs and bring even better features to the market. With its expected launch in September 2026, the wait may not be very long. And if everything goes as rumored, this device could mark the beginning of a new era in smartphones, an era where one device can do it all. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications to stay updated with all the latest tech news and leaks.